Welcome to the Lifetime Product Assembly channel. This video follows section 1 of the instruction manual for the Double Composter Tumbler. To start, place the locking plate on a side panel. Secure it with 3 bolts, washers, and nuts. The washers will go on the same side as the nuts. Get a rear panel labeled DBV and push it into the groove on the side panel. There are triangles to be aligned on these panels. The other side has diamond shapes. Now attach a bottom panel labeled DBS to the side panel. The panels will overlap as you put them on. No screws are used for now. The next panel is labeled DBU. This one has notches for latches we will attach later. The panel on the other side of the opening will have a notch in the center for a hinge. Now attach the lid extensions to the side panels. For the metal bands, use these pins. Some pins have threads and others are smooth. Curve the bands into a loop. Put a threaded pin and a non-threaded pin into the ends. Now put a screw through the non-threaded side first into the threaded pin as shown. Do not fully tighten this screw just yet. Slide the band over the ends of the barrel as shown. Now tighten the screw. Do this with both bands. In each of the U-shaped slots on the side panels, insert screws with a power drill. On the inside of the drill points, place these triangular nuts to screw into. The barrel should now look like this. Again, use the triangular nuts on the inside as you use a power drill for the hinge while it is placed on the slot next to the opening. 3 screws are used. With 1 screw for each latch, do the same on the side of the opening where the 2 slots are.